to unsubscribe subscriptions in Outlook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily unsubscribe the subscriptions you have purchased on Outlook. So first open up your Outlook application, or you can also log in via your browser and just tap on this settings gear icon after you successfully log into your account. And once inside here, once you tap on this mail button over here, just tap on this subscriptions, and here you should see all of the subscriptions which you have purchased. And you can basically tap on this unsubscribe button over here and simply tap on this unsubscribe button over here and just click on OK, and you should be successfully unsubscribed from that particular channel or particular person or company, just like this. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.